Hey, and welcome back to our house, living with the Lindsays. So today I'm cooking leftovers to make dinner tonight. So when y'all get this, it'll be Saturday, but today is Friday. So yesterday was Thursday when I cooked, if that makes sense. So I had some leftover fish, some leftover shrimp. So I'm gonna take some spaghetti noodles, and this is milk and flour mixture and some Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to make pasta and fried fish, and I will come back and let y'all see the ending. Okay, so this is what I came up with. So I just want to let y'all know that when I started these, no, but for real, I just want to let y'all know this is all leftovers. This is all what was in my house without having to go to the store. I already had spaghetti noodles, the milk and flour with the Parmesan cheese, leftover shrimp, leftover fish, and this is what I made. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video.
Okay, bye. See you
Wait,
later.
see y'all on the next one. She got an attitude because she hungry, y'all.